So, this is our backyard in Austin, Texas. It's crazy. There's a lot of snow here, and it's not even all of it. Some of it's already melted since yesterday, but you can see these are my footsteps from yesterday, how deep it is. I think it's about maybe 10 inches or maybe less than that, I don't know, but it's a lot of snow. Oh my god, it's so cold. And look at that. Oh my god, I have a better picture from yesterday. I'm gonna snip it here so you can see how crazy it was before it all melts down. But it's getting better, but we don't have any electricity. I think they disconnected it last night when we were asleep, and it's been more than 10 hours. Oh my god, it's crazy. And everywhere is closed. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Anyway, I've experienced worse winters, but of course there was much more preparation in the East Coast. This is a slab. I don't know if you can see it, but it's covered. I'm gonna go inside. It's freezing. Ooh. Another view. So this is our tiny backyard. That's the slab I told you and I showed you. I think there's at least 6-7 inches of snow 2 days after the winter storm, and it's very cold, and that's why it doesn't melt as quickly. Okay, this is a view from our back alley, and as you can see, it's covered in snow. And you know, it's interesting, I just noticed that some of the snow is melted inside. So yeah, not good installation here, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna take more clips in the coming days just to see a progress, but I think it's gonna stay like this for at least 2 more days. Maybe because, as I said, the weather is so cold and it's not gonna get warmer anytime soon. So yeah, that's that. So this is the situation right now. We are going to my brother-in-law's place because of, you know, not having electricity and freezing in the house, and it's so hard to get our car cleaned up, and I'm not even sure about the roads. Oh my god. So this building in the Domain in Austin has all of their lights on. Meanwhile, people are suffering in their homes because they don't have electricity. This is absurd. So we are still at my brother-in-law's place, and we just got a warning that the water is gonna be shut off, but we still have electricity here. And it snowed overnight last night. I think it's day 4 of this situation. Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm gonna go inside. It's snowing, but our electricity is back now, so we're going home. Oh my god. At this point, it's just ice now on the floor. As you can see, it's cracked there, and it's very slippery. We have been waiting for it for 2-3 days. It's finally here and melting all the snow. This is HEB's line all the way to here. Oh my goodness. That's the main door right there.